Multiplying binomials, and this time we are going to use FOIL to multiply the binomials. Question is, find each product. There are two binomials, 2x plus 3 times x minus 1. That's the first question. The second question is product of binomials 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. So we'll see how to apply the distributive property, and just to remember the steps, this is an acronym, FOIL, where we have product of first terms. F is for product of first terms. If you see these two, then the first terms will be with 2x and x. These are the first terms of each binomial, right? So first step is FOIL is product of these two. So if you multiply 2x with x, what do you get? You get 2x squared, right? So that is meaning product. Let me write product in general here, and for FOIL let me write first, right? And second is O. O means outer. So for outer terms, we are trying to say is these are the outside terms, right? So that is outer. O. 2x times minus 1 gives me minus 2x, and that is outer. O. So that is O for me, right? And then inside for I, inside terms. So for inside, it is these are the two inside terms. As you can see in the first step, we actually multiplied 2x with both the terms. Do you see that? 2x times x and 2x times minus 1. Now let's start with 3. So with 3, when you multiply the inside terms, it is 3 times x. So let's do this, 3 times x. So that is I, inside terms. I for green, okay? So 3x plus 3x. So we have plus 3x, and that means inside terms. So it's product of inside terms. Now L is the last terms. So the last terms for us are 3 in the first binomial and 1 in the second binomial. In fact, minus 1, right? So that is the last one. So that means last term. So 3 times minus 1 gives us minus 3. So that is the result. Now what we need to do here is combine like terms. These are two like terms here which should be combined before writing the answer. So we get our result as equal to 2x squared. And when you combine minus 2x with plus 3x, you get plus 1x. So we write plus x minus 3. So that is how you can find product of binomials using distributive property and FOIL in a way to explain you the steps. Now let us follow these steps once again and quickly do the second one. So first step is FOIL. First terms, that is the first step, right? F. 3x times 2x, 3 times 2 is number 6, and x times x is x squared. So that is the first term, right? O means outside terms. So the outside terms are 3x and 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 with a minus sign and x. And then we have inside terms, I. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have plus 4x. And then last terms. So the last terms here are 2 times 3. 2 times minus 3. So negative sign, and 2 times 3 is 6. And now what we need to do is simplify the polynomial combining the like terms. So once you combine the like terms, you get a result, and that is 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x gives us minus 5x minus 6. So that is how you can get product of polynomials applying distributive property, right? So we basically applied distributive property. FOIL, to remember, first terms are multiplied first, and then the outside terms, and then inside terms, 3 and x in this case, and then the last terms, right? So that way you should get 4 terms. Once you get your 4 terms, look for the like terms which can be combined, right? Normally there will be the outer and inside, outside and inside terms which can be combined. Combine and write down your answer. So these are the steps to be followed to multiply binomials. I hope that makes it absolutely clear. So the next example is for you to do. Thank you.